name is Adam. I work for Rainier Warranty and Isola Homes, and I wanted to give you a brief orientation of a range in one of our units. This particular range is a gas range made by Bertazzoni. We also use Bosch electric ranges, but this particular one is gas. It has gas cooktop. It is a brand new range. So when a brand new range is made, it has industrial greases and oils and paints from the construction of it. The manufacturer and us as Rainier Warranty and Isola suggest a burn off time for one of these brand new ranges. You want to burn off any of the industrial oils, greases, and paints that are in there so they don't compromise your first meal in any way. So you'd want to turn this on to about a 350 to a 400 and run it for about 35 to 40 minutes. You could repeat that process as many times as you like as a homeowner so you're comfortable with that before you put your first meal in there for cooking. As I said before, this is a gas range. So just like a sink, it's going to have a manual shutoff behind the range. On the back wall underneath this pedestal unit is going to be the gas line that comes in. There's going to be a red T-handle at the top of that gas line. When the red T-handle is in line with the gas line, it is on. And when it is turned out of line with the line, it is off. So this would be a first area of maintenance for shutoff. And in your mechanical room of your home is the main shutoff for the gas. This is one of our Bertazzoni gas ranges in an Isola home project, and that is a brief orientation of how to run it.